Hello, I am in northern Illinois, just a couple of miles from the Wisconsin border on the lake shore. And I'm going to do some hot tent camping tonight and cook a bison ribeye, some homemade bread, and have a lot of fun. So let me set the tent up and we'll get going. Okay, I got the firewood all processed, as you can see there. I got the stove all set up. Here's what the tent looks like on the inside. Okay, I'm about to light the stove using birch bark as my tinder, and I prepared all my wood, as you can see, right there on top of the stove. I got my tinder, the birch bark, kindling, small pieces, and then bigger and bigger pieces to get the fire going. So let's start this stove. Okay, good old birch bark. Now we'll throw in the small pieces. And then the bigger and bigger pieces, and off we go. And there we go, this fire's on its way. Easy peasy. Now I'm throwing bigger and bigger pieces on top of it. I hope you can see the smoke coming out of the chimney. Boy, that smells nice. I got a bison ribeye I'm going to grill on the flat iron skillet with some peppers and green onions. That's it. That's all for my dinner tonight. And then tea, of course. Always got to have tea. I've got my cast iron skillet on the wood stove. It's going to warm up. and then I'm going to grill the steak on it.
Okay, I got my bison ribeye on.
You can see. I'm going to slow cook it on the edge here to control the temperature. And I'll have it medium rare. Add some Old Bay seasoning. Just give it a little flavor. Home sweet home for the night. That steak is almost ready. I'm going to throw in the vegetables right there. Onions and green peppers. Grill them just a little. Yeah, with the steak. Our steak is ready, so I just threw in the green peppers and onions. Let these grill a little. I think we're ready to eat. So let's pull this out a little, and I'll eat directly from the cast iron skillet. I forgot a fork, so I'm going to have to use the tongs. But let's see how this tastes. Look at this, just about medium. A little pink, not a lot. That's delicious. Wow. That is terrific. Cheers. This raspberry muffin is really delicious. It's from a bakery in Winnetka. Earl Grey and raspberry muffin. Can't beat that. I just set up my mattress and my quilt and my pillow. And underneath my inflatable mattress, you can see I have a genuine U.S. Army cell foam mattress. I'll just put it under my inflatable for protection. I have a 10-degree quilt. Mattress is rated R 5.5, so it'll be pretty warm overnight. It's projected to go to about 27 degrees Fahrenheit overnight, so that'll keep me warm. Of course, I'm going to turn off the stove once I go to sleep because I'm not going to get up and keep feeding the fire. So there you have it. It's still a bit early. I'll go to bed around an hour or so. It's 12:45 now, and my sleeping schedule is wrecked. So I've been sleeping around 2:30 for the past couple of months. So I'll continue reading my novel, The Two Towers, Lord of the Rings. And let me tell you, it is really hot in here. It's about 80 degrees. I got the stove blasting, so I'm just going to let it die down and keep a low fire from now on until I'm ready to go to bed. But man, I'm really hot. I got 2 layers on and I'm going to take one off right now. I hear coyotes. Listen. They're pretty close. That's nice. I like it. Well, guys, it is 2:05 and I'm going to bed. I'm starting to feel sleepy. So I will see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It is 7:52. I woke up around 6 and couldn't sleep after that. So I just laid in bed for a while, and then around 7 o'clock I went down to the lakefront and photographed the sunrise, filmed the sunrise. I hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm sitting in the tent. I've got the stove going and I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to make the bread first. I got Cherry Bannock, my usual and my favorite. Actually, I made this a week ago, and it's been sitting in the fridge since then. So it'll take a while to bake, to fry, I should say. So I'm gonna do the bread and then do the eggs, sausage, and onions. Okay, our bannock is done. I'm gonna put it off to the side, keep it warm. And now I'll throw in the sausage. Take these cherries out. Okay, our the andouille sausage is done. I'm gonna put it off to the side here to keep it warm. That's the neat thing about cast iron, is this is really hot to the touch. So it's gonna keep your food warm. It doesn't cool down fast. And now let's throw in the eggs. And I'm going to throw in the scallions also. Our breakfast is ready. Sausage, egg, and scallions. And let's give it a taste. And that is good. There's nothing like cooking on a wood stove and cast iron. I'm in heaven. Now for some tea and Cherry Bannock. Let me tell you, this stuff is really good. Very simple recipe. Flour, baking powder, salt, and cherries. That's all. And you can fry it, you can bake it, you can put it over a fire, you can wrap it around a stick and roast it over a fire. Bannock is very versatile. You can actually put it directly on the coals. It'll cook that way too. Very easy to make and very tasty. Just if you add stuff to it, like cherries or chocolate and stuff like that. dumped my stove fire into the fire pit and put the wood I had left in there and added some wood from around here. And I got the fire going in there. I am all packed up. As you can see, nothing is there. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. And see you next time.